All right. So let us start. So we have been talking about Euler's theorem. Yesterday we did talk about Euler's theorem. So Euler's theorem, we have seen that if we have a function x, a partial derivative of f with respect to x, y, z, and so on and so forth, then it is equal to nf if f is a homogeneous function. If f is a homogeneous function, then this relationship holds true. Okay, and we have already verified it. We have already proved it. Now we are going to talk about the examples. Let us understand. So, through some examples. So, one of the problem I am going to take is that we have to verify Euler's theorem if we have been given a function f which is x to the power 1 by 3, y to the power minus 4 by 3, tan inverse y by x. This is the function given to us. What we need to do? We need to verify. We need to verify Euler's theorem.
Sir, y to the power minus 4 by 3.
Minus 4 by 3, yes. X to the power 1 by 3, y to the power minus 4 by 3, tan inverse y by x. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now, is it a, first of all, Euler's theorem applies for homogeneous function, right? So, in this case, is the function homogeneous?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Yes, sir.
Anybody? It is.
Yes, sir.
It is homogeneous.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Then, if it is homogeneous, then what is the degree?
Some
Minus
one.
1.
Correct. Correct. So it is homogeneous. The function is homogeneous. Yes. And what is the degree? Degree is -1. Am I right? As you can see from here, 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3, what it will be? -1, right? So, it is a homogeneous function of degree n minus, degree -1. So, it means what we have to prove? X into fx plus y into fy is equal to minus f. All right? All right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. So now, first of all, let us try to find out fx. What is fx? Derivative of f with respect to x. Okay, partial derivative of f with respect to x. So what it will be? 1 by 3 x to the power minus 2 by 3 y to the power minus 4 by 3 tan inverse y by x plus x to the power 1 by 3 y to the power minus 4 by 3 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square into y by minus y by. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is what anybody couldn't understand. If anybody couldn't understand, please let me know. We have differentiated first this, kept all these this as such. Then we differentiated this, kept this as such. That's all. So now what it will be? If I solve it, 1 by 3 x to the power minus 2 by 3 y to the power minus 4 by 3 tan inverse y by x minus x to the power x to the power 1 by 3 y to the power minus 4 by 3 and plus 1. So minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3, 1 by x square plus y square. Is it okay? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let us say that this is equation number 1. All right. Now
So
next,
there it is minus 4 by 3, na? Y to the power minus 4 by 3.
multiplied by y. This y
Sir, in
is
last
also there.
equation.
This is also there, na y.
Yes, sir. Yes.
ये भी डिफरेंशिएट होगा ना, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? 1 by 1 plus y by x square,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And then इसका भी डिफरेंशिएशन होगा ना. I hope it is clear now. Clear है ना? Then I move forward.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me find out the derivative of f with respect to y. What it will be? Minus 4 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3 minus
1/3 what?
minus 7 by 3 y to the power minus 7 by 3
Yes, sir.
tan inverse y by x and plus x to the power 1 by 3 into y to the power minus 4 by 3 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square into 1 by x.
1 by x.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so f y will be minus 4 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3 y to the power minus 4 by 3 tan inverse y by x minus sorry plus x square means x to the power 4 by 3 y to the power minus 4 by 3 by x square plus y square. Is it okay? Any confusion in this? What I have done, I have taken x square as LCM, then x square goes up, x and x square, so 1x is left, x, so power 1 and 1 by 3, so 4 by 3. So this is what we are getting. Okay? Now,
Y power minus 4 by 3.
huh?
सर जी y पावर -4/3 ऊपर है, y पावर -7/3।
कहाँ? अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा,
ये
ओ राइट, यस यस यस, करेक्ट करेक्ट, -7/3, very correct. So this is multiplied by x and this is multiplied by y. We multiply one with equation 1 with x and 2 with y. So what we are going to get? X fx plus y fy is equal to 1/3 x to the power -2/3 y to the power -4/3 tan inverse y by x minus x to the power 1/3 y to the power -1/3 by x square plus y square into x किया था ना हमने, so once we do x means +1, so this will be 1/3 and this will be -4/3 and this will be multiplied, so this will be 2/3 and -1/3, ठीक है? This is your x को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद यही आएगा ना? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? Next, -4/3 x to the power 1/3 y to the power -4/3, y से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं ना, तो +1, so -4/3 tan inverse y by x, और सेकेंड टर्म में क्या आएगा? प्लस x to the power 4/3, अच्छा ये सॉरी, ये 2/3 नहीं होगा, 4/3 होगा, सॉरी, क्योंकि 1/3 plus 1, so 4/3, this will be 4/3 into y to the power -1/3 by x square plus y square. Am I right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So these
sir.
two will cancel out.
Answer is 0.
So what we will get? 1/3 x to the power 1/3 y to the power -4/3 tan inverse y by x minus 4/3 x to the power 1/3 y to the power -4/3 tan inverse y by x. So this will be minus x to the power 1/3 y to the power -4/3 tan inverse y by x. Is our theorem proved?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but f. So our theorem proved. So Euler's theorem is, यानी कि यदि कोई फंक्शन होमोजीनियस है तो ये थ्योरम सेटिस्फाई करेगी. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
ऑल राइट. मनीष कुमार, तुम्हारा साउंड में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, वो इट गिव्स अ नॉइज. इज इट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द कनेक्शन?
यस सर, अब सही हो गए।
So now next problem we have to prove that x ux plus y uy is equal to 5/2 tan u if u is equal to sin inverse x cube plus y cube by root x plus okay. This is what we have been given. U is equal to sin inverse x cube plus y cube by root x plus root y. We have to prove that x ux plus y uy is equal to 5/2 tan. Using, obviously we will use Euler's theorem. Now let us see whether the function which we are going to choose is whether it is homogeneous or not. So let us see that. So let us consider that f is equal to sine. So that is equal to x cube plus y cube by root x plus root y. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, whether this function f is homogeneous or not, let us take x cube as common in the numerator, denominator x to the power half as common 1 plus y by x to the power cube by 1 plus y by x to the power half. Right? And this I can write down x to the power 5 by 2. Is it in this form? Isn't it in this form?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, is it homogeneous function? Yes, it is.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, what is the degree of that?
5 by 2.
5 by 2.
By
5 to sir.
5 by 2. So it means my Euler's equation should be, then in that case, x fx plus y fy should be equal to 5 by 2f. Isn't it? My Euler's equation will look like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. And I can also write down that because f is sine u, so I can write down x fx plus y fy is equal to 5 by 2 sine u. F is sine u, we have considered na? Just now we considered that. So this is what we will get. Now f is equal to sine u. So if I take the differentiation of this with respect to x, what I will get? What I will get?
Cos
Cos
u
u.
du by dx.
3x.
Cos u ux. Can I write down it like this?
Yes, sir.
All right. And fy cos u dot uy, right? Let me put back in this equation. So what I will get? I will get x cos u ux plus y cos u uy is equal to 5 by 2 sine. And x ux plus y is equal to 5 by 2 tan u. This is what we wanted to prove, and this is what we have been able to prove. Any issue?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Clear? All right. So now, whatever I have taught so far, any problem, any query you want to ask, you can ask. Otherwise, I will move forward. Is everything clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now let us actually move forward. So you see, if you recall, we had talked about Taylor series. previously. And there we said that if you have a function, and which is dependent on a single variable, okay, then this function, if I displace it with something, some amount h, means I displace the point. Earlier x was here, now x is here at x plus h. Okay, so whatever the value of this function at this, whatever the value of the function at this particular point, I can expand this. Okay, I can expand this function in terms of the derivatives function itself around this x plus derivatives around this point x. Isn't it? This was our Taylor series.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what we have done, that we have
Yes, sir.
expanded a function at x plus h in terms of function at x, okay, in terms of function at x and its derivative at x, isn't it? This is derivative at x, double derivative at triple derivative, and so on and so forth. Okay, geometrical interpretation also we had given, and we had seen that it is giving you the straight line. If you have these two terms, isn't it? We did talk about that or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Considering linear function, quadratic,
Then
cubic.
parabolic, cubic, etc., etc. Okay, so we have discussed this, but what if that I am saying that now my condition has changed? My condition is that suppose I am having a function which is function of x and y, means two variables. Two variables are there, x and y. So now there is a point, let us say in space M. Its coordinates are x, y. And there is some neighboring point which I am showing far off. Okay, it is a neighboring point basically. So means separated by a small amount. So let us say that some neighboring point is there. N, whose coordinates are x plus h and y plus k. Means we have shifted this x by amount h and y shifted by an amount k. We arrive at new point. Right? Now I want to find out that the function value at this is x plus h and y at means function value at this is this, and function value at m is this. I want to expand this. I want to expand this in terms of the function and its derivative at xy. Understood what I am doing? I am trying to expand the function which is at this point. The function, whatever the value of the function will be, the value of the function will be something at this xy point. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? So,
Yes.
right. So, I want to expand this function in terms of, the function at xy, the whatever is the value of function at xy and its derivative at this point xy, or that is at point n. So functional value of the function I am trying to expand which is at some neighboring point n in terms of function itself and its derivative at point n. I hope it is clear. Clear?
No, sir.
Sir, repeat one time, sir.
Sir, what I have to find, sir?
We have to find out. Earlier we found out expansion of, as I showed you. What we have to find out is Taylor series. She asked Taylor series for two variables. I hope it is you understood what we are trying to find out.
Yes, sir.
All right. You couldn't understand, Prashant Kumar. You said
Yes, sir.
you couldn't understand.
No, sir.
All right. चलो एक बार टेलर सीरीज को रिविजिट करते हैं. Let us revisit the टेलर सीरीज. टेलर सीरीज क्या था? कि if there is a point, let us say some point x है. यहाँ बनाते हैं. Some point x is there. Okay? इसकी कुछ फंक्शन वैल्यू होगी इस पर. This is the value of this function. You agree with this?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let us say or something. Function is like this. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
अब हमने क्या किया कि इसको x plus h से हमने x को खिसका दिया.
Okay.
तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो गई अपना?
X plus H.
है ना? अभी
Yes,
हमको क्या करना है यहाँ पर? हम टेलर सीरीज में क्या करते हैं कि जो ये फंक्शन वैल्यू है x plus h पर या फंक्शन जो है x plus h पर है इसको हम एक्सपेंड करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
इट इज सम नेबरिंग पॉइंट.
Yes, sir.
है ना? यहाँ पर मैंने दूर दिखाया है, एक अलग चीज है. सम नेबरिंग पॉइंट जैसे. सो x plus h. So what does it do? That it does that whatever. What does it say? It says that this is equal to whatever value of the function at this point is. That value of the function is equal to the function जो इस x पर जो फंक्शन की वैल्यू है प्लस h और जो डेरिवेटिव है इस फंक्शन का इस पॉइंट पर उसको यदि हम h से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. h क्या है? ये डिस्टेंस h है.
Yes, sir.
तो हमको ये मिलेगा. प्लस यहीं तक नहीं रुकेंगे हम और भी प्लस h स्क्वायर बाय फैक्टोरियल 2 डबल डेरिवेटिव भी ट्रिपल डेरिवेटिव भी और सो एंड सो फोर्थ. यही है ना टेलर सीरीज.
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
दिस इज टेलर
Sir.
सीरीज.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो. किसी को कोई क्वेरी थी शायद? तो दिस इज व्हाट टेलर सीरीज इज. आई होप आज समझ में आ गया होगा. उस दिन समझ में नहीं आया था. हम
Yes,
कर
sir.
क्या रहे हैं बेसिकली, है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
है ना? अब
Yes,
देखो
sir.
इसी के अंदर ये पॉइंट जितना इसके पास होगा x के उतना इसकी वैल्यू एक्यूरेट होगी. है ना?
Yes, sir.
एक्यूरेट इन द सेंस होगी कि मतलब उतनी ही काम टर्म हमको जरूरत पड़ेगी. यहाँ पे 2-3 टर्म में ही काम चल जाएगा हमारा. ये h जितना दूर होगा उतना ही ज्यादा हमको जोड़ना पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir.
अब ये सीरीज कन्वर्जिंग होगी डाइवर्जिंग होगी, किस पे डिपेंड करेगा? ये तो एच पे डिपेंड करेगा ना।
Yes, sir.
आई होप इट इज क्लियर नाउ।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मान लो x10 है, h10 है सपोज करो, h10 है, तो क्या ये सीरीज तुम्हारी कैसी हो जाएगी? ये तो 10, 100, 1000।
सर बड़ा हो जाएगा।
हाँ बहुत, हाँ कैलकुलेट करना आसान होगा।
नो सर।
I don't
No,
think
sir.
so. That will go to infinity. Okay, that is why this h should be as close as to this one. Hmm?
Yes,
I hope it is clear now. हाँ?
yes, sir.
अभी फिजिकल मतलब समझ में आ गया ना टेलर सीरीज का क्या हम कर रहे थे वहां पर? वैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया था इस चीज को, बट वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग।
सर आपने लग रहा है ग्राफ से नहीं बताया था इसलिए उतना क्लियर नहीं हुआ था।
अभी क्लियर हो गया?
यस सर।
अच्छा, नहीं ग्राफ तो मैंने खींचा था उस टाइम में, मैंने बताया था कि क्या डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है। ये जो फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स हैं, तो इट इज नथिंग बट योर स्ट्रेट लाइन। डिडंट आई से?
सर टेलर सीरीज में एच का वैल्यू स्मॉल रहेगा।
किसका?
एच का वैल्यू जहाँ पे एफ एक्स प्लस एच है, तो एच का वैल्यू स्मॉल रहेगा क्या यहाँ पे?
कहाँ पर? जितना स्मॉल होगा उतने जल्दी तो तुम निकल जाएगा ना तुम्हारा ये, उतने ही कम टर्म्स तुमको ऐड करनी पड़ेगी इसमें टेलर सीरीज में, नहीं?
जी सर।
ये तो कॉमन सेंस की बात है। यदि
तो
एच
मतलब
मान लो 0.1 है मान लो,
जी
तो ये 0.01 होगा, ये
जी।
0.00001 होगा,
जी सर।
राइट?
यस सर।
मतलब हमको उतने ही कम टर्म ऐड करने पड़ेंगे। इन अदर वर्ड्स, यानी कि एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा जल्दी से
Accuracy बढ़ जाएगी।
रिजल्ट बढ़ जाएगी, कहने का मतलब ये, और कोई बात नहीं। आई होप इट इज क्लियर नाउ।
हाँ जी सर।
Yes, sir.
बात
Very
कर
much,
रहे हैं
sir.
एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट की। तो आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर नाउ। तो अब हम बेसिकली यही काम कर रहे हैं 2 डायमेंशन। हम क्या कर रहे हैं? यही काम कर रहे हैं 2 डायमेंशन। अब हमारा फंक्शन जो है ये थोड़ा बनाना मुश्किल है, इस पर बोर्ड पर मुश्किल ही मेरे लिए से बनेगा एक्स और वाई के लिए, राइट? तो अब ये सिचुएशन कुछ इस तरीके की नहीं हो जाएगी? कुछ फंक्शन जैसे मैंने फॉर एग्जांपल इस तरीके की सिचुएशन नहीं हो जाएगी? एक्स है, वाई है और ये फंक्शन की वैल्यू है, राइट? कैन यू सी माय हैंड, माय palm?
यस
Yes.
सर।
Can you see it?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
You can see that this is x, let us say this is x, so here this is y, right? And this is the function value। इस तरीके का आएगा ना आपका ये फंक्शन, तो something of this sort,
यस सर।
right?
यस सर।
वो तो डिपेंड
की
करेगा।
जगह एरिया बनेगा।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट, एक सरफेस बन जाएगा इन अदर वर्ड्स, ठीक है ना? ये जो फंक्शन होगा ये सरफेस होगा, है राइट? अब इस पर हम कोई पॉइंट चूज कर रहे हैं, ये पॉइंट और ये पॉइंट चूज कर रहे हैं। ये पॉइंट हमारा है एक्स वाई एंड दिस पॉइंट इज एक्स प्लस एच वाई प्लस के। इज इट क्लियर? तो
Yes, sir.
अब यहां पर हम चूज कर रहे हैं कोई पॉइंट m, that is xy, and some other point is there which is n x plus h y plus k. All right?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Okay. So ये कोई नेबरिंग पॉइंट है इसका n का, n। अब यहां पर फंक्शन वैल्यू क्या है इसकी? x प्लस एच पर, ये है ना, राइट? इधर x डायरेक्शन है और इधर y डायरेक्शन है, राइट? सो इस पर जो भी है इसकी फंक्शन वैल्यू है कुछ, x f is x plus h y plus k पर, राइट? अब यहां पर फंक्शन वैल्यू है इस पॉइंट पर इसकी फंक्शन की वैल्यू है ये f एट पॉइंट है, ठीक है? सेम थिंग हम कर रहे हैं यहां पर कि हम एक्सपेंड कर रहे हैं, कोई पॉइंट लिया हमने, ठीक है, कोई पॉइंट लिया, राइट? तो बेसिकली हम क्या कर रहे हैं इसके अंदर कि f x प्लस h y प्लस k, अब हमको एक्सपेंड करना है इसको, तो हम एक्सपेंड कैसे करेंगे? प्लस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ f एट x1, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ f एट x1 एंड सो ऑन। इसी तरीके से हम डेरिवेटिव्स कर रहे हैं, प्लस डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ, यही कर रहे हैं ना हम?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ठीक है। I hope it is clear. So now,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so now we have to do this. अब हमको करने का क्या तरीका है इसको? So what we do, we employ technique कि भाई कैसे निकालेंगे हम टेलर सीरीज इन for two variables. How do we find out? So first of all, what I will do, that I will put y as constant. Let us take y as constant. So what is the variable? X is
X.
the variable. Okay. So the point is that this function at x plus h, y plus k. As I told you, y is constant. We have kept that point constant. So what will be the Taylor series? I can expand it in Taylor series. अब तो ये सिंगल वेरिएबल के लिए टेलर सीरीज हो गया, इज इट और नॉट? ये तो सिंगल वेरिएबल के लिए हो गया ना टेलर सीरीज?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो f x y plus k. Okay, we are taking functional value at x, plus h f del f, sorry, del f x y plus k. अपना ये यूज करो भाई, I am feeling very irritated with this sound. Somebody has switched on his mic, please. So it is very annoying to the ears. Plus h square by factorial 2 del square y plus k del x square plus h cube factorial 2 del cube fx y plus k del x cube and so on and so forth. This is equation number 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Taylor series in single variable. वही किया हमने. I don't think any problem should be there. Or I think today a Taylor series you might have understood properly. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right?
sir.
So actually already I have told this thing. जो भी मैंने आज तुमको बताया था ये पहले भी सेम चीज ही बताई थी. ओके, हमने क्या किया था वहां पर, ये बोला था ना कि हम पॉइंट जोड़ते जाएंगे उसके अंदर, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव यहाँ निकाले, फिर इसका ये करें, राइट, सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव निकाले, सो वी विल गेट द कर्व, isn't it? We discussed that in that class in Taylor series. I think you didn't pay attention to my notes or my lecture. So anyway, today it must be clear. So now, this is what the Taylor series, when we keep y constant, x is variable, this is what the Taylor series will look like. Now, I see that this term is there, this term is there, and this term is there. And all these terms we have to find out. So now what I do next is that I want expansion of this. So I want expansion of this. What will be the expansion of this? In this case now my x is fixed and y is variable. All right, y is variable. So if I want to expand this function, what will be the expansion of this function? F at xy plus k del f at xy del y plus k square by factorial 2 del e square f at xy del y square plus k cube by factorial 3 del q at xy del y cube and so on. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, as earlier we have taken y as constant and then it was x plus h. Then why we will not write now x plus h in this?
Samjani, what did you say? I just couldn't understand.
Earlier x was variable, right? So there was a y plus h in that, and now we will write na x plus h. We have taken y as variable. So
In that term, this is the function which we want to expand.
yes, sir.
Okay, the first term in this was this is fixed. This is what it is. We are trying to expand this now.
Okay, sir.
I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
तो समझ में आ गया? अब मत बोलना, क्योंकि पहले भी मैंने टेलर सीरीज पर बहुत टाइम दिया था. Now you should not say that सर समझ में नहीं आया, आपने बताया नहीं था इस तरीके से. आगे बढ़ूंगा तभी जब समझ में आ जाएगा, right? I hope this month, up to this it is clear to you. अब
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन 1 को देखो आप. सेकेंड टर्म क्या है उसमें? Am I right? This is the second term. सेकेंड टर्म में है ना h and first derivative. Yes, right? Because I cannot write down here everything. That is why it is, you have written that. Just see the second term. Second term is h and derivative of this with respect to x. So now let us, this is equation number 2. So now take the derivative of this with respect to x. So what we will get? Del f del x plus k del e square f del x del y plus k square by factorial 2 del q and del x del y2 plus k cube by factorial 3 del 4 f del x, del y cube, and so on. So question number 3. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, explain once more, please.
Which one?
Sir, second term.
This
How
one?
we got? Yes, sir. Second term in this.
This one?
No, sir. How we got del square f xy by del x del y?
This one, this one, and
Yes.
this one.
Yes, sir.
We just differentiated equation number 2 with respect to x.
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh,
Okay,
I
understood.
didn't write down.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Because of the lack of space, I didn't write down. Differentiating equation 2 with respect to x. I think now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now let us take the second derivative of this. Second derivative of this. So differentiation of this. Now differentiation of 3 with respect to x. Okay. So shall I omit this? So differentiation of this with respect to x. So now what I will get? Del e square f del x square plus k del q f del x square del y plus k square by factorial to del q f by del x square del y square plus kq factorial 3 del 4. एक मिनट, ये है del square, this is del q, this is del 4 and this is del 5. F del x square del y and so on and so forth. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? So we have taken.
Yes, sir.
And if I differentiate equation number 4, what I will get? What I will get? Del q f del x cube plus k del q f del x cube del y plus k square by factorial to del sorry. Once differentiated this, so ये del 4 आएगा ना कुछ. You should say something. F and del x
Del x cube del y square.
cube del y square.
X cube del y square.
And so on and so forth. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now let us put back all these values. Equation number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can continue it like this. Okay? Into that.
First equation.
Let us put back into that one. First equation. So what will you get? Shall I omit everything? Shall I omit
Yes, sir.
everything? हाँ.
Yes, sir.
आज एनर्जी कम है, क्या बात है? समझ में नहीं आ रहा है?
आ रहा है सर.
आ रहा है सर।
आ रहा है?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो आपको अब टेलर सीरीज सपने में भी दिखाई देने लग जाएगी. दैट मस्ट बी एक्चुअली, it should be that much clear, in other words. That is what I want
Yes,
to
sir.
do. So now let us put back in the equation number 1. है? So क्या होगा equation number 1 में रखने पर? बताओ तो बेटा. तो f at xy है ना, प्लस k, ये फर्स्ट हमको रख रहे हैं हम. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 को रखेंगे कहां पर रखेंगे हम, किसके प्लेस में?
Equation 1 में.
F of x, comma y
इसकी
y
जगह
plus
पर,
k.
हाँ, ये
हाँ.
वाला एक्सप्रेशन को, राइट, प्लस k डेल f. आप बताते जाओ क्या है. डेल y
Del y
Del y plus
plus k
k
square
square
upon
by
2
2
factorial.
factorial.
हाँ, डेल y स्क्वायर प्लस k क्यूब फैक्टोरियल 3 डेल क्यूब f del y cube and so on.
Del y cube.
So this is your first term. In second term, what is the second term?
Del f x y by del
h,
x.
h भी आएगा ना? It will be multiplied by h.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay, हाँ, multiplied by h into
del fx upon fxy upon del x
del x plus
k del square f
हाँ,
upon del x del y
very good, plus
k plus k square upon 2 factorial
हाँ,
del cube f upon del x into del y square.
and so on and so forth. Okay, plus
Plus h
Plus?
square plus
X square
plus h square
plus
h square upon 2
h square upon
factorial
2 factorial.
h square upon 2 factorial or factorial.
bracket start
Bracket start, yes. Tell me.
del square f upon del x square
Del square तो नहीं आना चाहिए, del cube आना चाहिए. ये del square ही आएगा. Del square आएगा, हाँ?
Square होगा sir, square.
Square होगा, चलो. Del square f by del
x square
del x square del y. Is it like this?
only del x square
Del x square.
Only del x square.
only
Okay.
del x square
Okay. Then
plus k
plus
k del cube f
del q f
upon del x square into del y
plus
k square upon 2 factorial
2 factorial
del 4f
हाँ,
upon del x square into del y square.
let us continue and let us add this thing also, next one also, plus I am taking it.
h cube upon
h cube upon 3
by
factorial.
3.
3 factorial
Okay, and then
del cube f upon del x cube
del x cube, yes, plus
plus k del 4f
Hmm.
upon del x cube
Hmm.
into del y
Hmm.
plus
Plus k square plus
square
factorial
to
to
del
del
phi f
phi
f upon del x cube into del y square.
square and so on and so forth. So we have got this. Let us say this is equation number 5. 5 or 6? 6.
Equation 6.
Okay. So we have written like this. Now what we do? Now we equate. Okay, or we separate out, not equate, we separate out the terms. So have you all written this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Shall I omit?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So so f at f now will be equal to f at xy plus h del f del x, okay, plus k del f del y. Can I write down it like this?
Yes, sir.
Plus 1 by factorial to h square del square f del x square plus twice of hk del square f del x del y plus k square del square f del y square. Okay, plus 1 by factorial 3 into h cube del cube at xy by del x cube plus 3h square k del cube f del x square del y plus 3hk square del cube f and del x del y square and k cube del cube f del y and so on. This is equation number 7. And this is your series expansion. What is it? It is series expansion of this function f around point this.
X and Y.
Around the point x. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So this is your Taylor series in for two variables. Okay, this is Taylor series for two variables. ऊपर वाला दिख नहीं रहा होगा ना? Taylor series for two variables. Now I give you, okay. All right. So this is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So we stop it over here. We will discuss Taylor series and then further. समझ में आया कुछ आज?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर
सारा लिख
Yes,
दिया
sir.
सर, डाउट है तो कल
It's-
वापस पूछ लेते हैं सर.
It's complicated, but it's okay.
No, it is not complicated at all. It is not complicated at all. What you have to do? You have to just differentiate after differentiation. You have to do and just put
Yes,
back
yes,
in
yes.
that. And what we have done? जो फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव है उसको एक साथ रख लिया, सेकंड डेरिवेटिव है kept at one place, third derivative is at one place. Similarly, fourth, fifth, all these derivatives we will segregate.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can remember it like this also, that in first term there is only one function, then only one term. In second term you have two terms. Okay, in third term means for the second derivative you have three terms. And you can see for third derivative you have
4 terms.
four terms. So next one, next वाला क्या आएगा? How many terms should there?
5 terms.
Like that actually.
5, 6.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
All right. So we stop it over here. Tomorrow we'll discuss.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir. Good day, sir.
Good day.
धन्यवाद सर.
धन्यवाद.